The light that enters through irregular openings in the walls and ceiling creates patterns of shadow on the polished concrete floor, transporting us to a space that transcends conventional architecture. This play of light and shadow, known as komorebi, filters sunlight through the trees and the house's openings, highlighting natural textures and reinforcing the continuous sense of connection between the interior and the surrounding forest. Located at the foot of a mountain in Onomichi, Japan, Nest sits on a steep site, surrounded by lush vegetation. Its architecture takes the form of a nest, symbolizing shelter and a deep connection with nature. Here, the boundaries between inside and outside seem to dissolve, allowing the house to become an integral part of the forest around it. At the entrance, we are greeted by an internal garden with Japanese maples, whose roots extend vertically through the different levels of the house. This garden is not merely an aesthetic element, but an extension of nature that penetrates the interior, creating a sense of continuity between the built environment and the natural landscape. Circulation within the house is fluid and continuous. The lower level, partially embedded in the ground, resembles an anthill or subterranean nest, providing a sense of shelter and protection. Above it, a floating wooden volume covers the nest on the ground, creating a symbolic connection between the two levels. The house is organized across two main levels. The lower floor contains bedrooms, storage, and an internal garden, while the upper floor houses the living area, additional bedrooms, a study, and a slightly sunken kitchen. Changes in levels subtly define and separate different functions, creating a sense of discovery as we move through the house. The structure is predominantly wood, with a Douglas fir frame encased in plywood panels. Large openings allow abundant natural light to fill the interior spaces, offering views of the surroundings. Nest's atmosphere is defined by tranquility and harmony with nature. Light filtered through the trees creates dynamic patterns inside, while natural ventilation provides thermal comfort. Raw materials and rustic textures contribute to a feeling of warmth and connection with the exterior environment. At the end of the journey, it becomes clear that Nest is more than just a building, it is an extension of the forest around it. Its form, materials, and spatial organization create a space that is at once modern and timeless, functional and poetic. It exemplifies how architecture can offer a shelter that is simultaneously part of nature and a refuge for its inhabitants.